So here's my solution for the Govee camera mount for mounting it below your screen. There's a few videos out on YouTube on some creative ways to do it, but I wanted something a little more adjustable and eye appealing because this piece is going to be in my living room hiding behind a large center channel speaker. So I bought these pieces off of Amazon. This piece here is basically a web camera mount or a cell phone mount, which has, plenty of adjustability. You can move it this way, that way. You can move it up or down. This piece is about 9 inches high, which is perfect for my application because my center speaker is about 10 inches. And so what I did was I basically took this, so the unit comes with a 1/4 camera mount, and then I purchased one of these threaded 1/4 female threaded metal pieces off of Amazon too. And I basically just super glued it onto the bottom of it. I took one of these USB-C right angle adapters and put it in here. I also removed the bottom mechanism. It's basically just a weight in this rotating piece. So I thought it would look better with it removed. And so as you see, this is a ball mount in here. So it can go left, right, up, down. And that's all there is to it, basically. So it gives you full adjustability to put it wherever you need to get that camera pointed at the screen properly. And if you look at the bottom piece, it's back together, but basically I just took a screwdriver and pried these two pieces apart, and it'll remove. And then once you get in there, there's just two screws that hold these two pieces together. Remove that, and you're done. So I think it's a really clean way to do it. If you want something a little more elaborate than what other pieces were posted on the web, hope this helps.